sweep away all I thought I knew of love's old rules and what is true. I lay them down, both worn and torn, like fallen leaves no longer worn. I start again where all is still, with one small word that bends the will. Kindness, gentle yet strong as stone, a whispered truth the heart has known. To give without fear, to take without blame, like endless waves that play one game. Not to fill what feels unwhole, but share the light within the soul. You stand like pillars side by side, not there to lean, but to abide, in growing strength, in steady grace, each holding firm their rightful place. Equal in longing, equal in flame, equal in loss and joy the same. In love not bound to what you see, but to the depth of what can be. And when the stones begin to rise and shake the ground beneath your skies, it's not sheer strength that helps you stand, but kindness held in heart and hand. Love's not just a fleeting fire, a spark that fades with brief desire, but choice